Assalamu alaikum dear all students. Today we are going to learn what is TEFL. TEFL is an abbreviation of Teaching of English as a Foreign Language. TEFL courses aim to equip teachers with the skill set required to teach English to students living in countries where English is not the native language. Therefore, during TEFL courses, you will learn to handle a classroom of students learning English as a second language in a place where English is not commonly spoken. A TEFL qualification is the best widely recognized type of teaching certification in non-native English speaking countries around the globe. There are plenty of non-native English speaking countries to consider calling home once equipped with a TEFL certification. China, Japan, South Korea, Pakistan, India, Saudi Arabia and all Middle East need of TEFL certified English teachers. Nations across East and West Asia, in parts of Africa and Middle East and throughout Europe and South America are also home to a myriad of schools and academic institutions that require qualified English instructors regularly. A TEFL certification is relevant when applying for several different types of teaching jobs. Jobs abroad are available for TEFL teachers, especially in Middle East. So TEFL course is for training of the teachers for teaching English where the English language is not the native language of the people, like Middle East where Arabic is spoken, and China where their Chinese language is spoken, and also in Pakistan where Urdu is the native language, Urdu or Punjabi, but here English is taught. So the teachers that are trained for teaching English, they complete a course that is known as TEFL, or means teaching of English as a foreign language. The contents that are covered while learning the teaching course of TEFL are generally are linguistics, in which grammar, phonetics, phonology, syntax, semantics, morphology, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and anthropological linguistics and cultural things are discussed, and theories of second language acquisition are also discussed in this course. ELT methods or English language teaching methods are discussed, classroom management is discussed, lesson planning is discussed, teaching of vocabulary, use of audio visual aids in classroom and for teaching purpose, error analysis and testing of the students, teaching through drama and or teaching through literature. All these things are discussed here. The teachers of TEFL are trained for basically 4 skills, that are listening, speaking, reading and writing, so that the learners may acquire English language in a good way and so that they may communicate their messages throughout the globe. Other than TEFL, there are some other terms that are also used for English learning and training courses, that are TESOL and TESOL. TESOL, TEFL and TESOL are all English teacher training courses in fact. So let us see what is TESOL, teaching of English as a second language. Similarly to TEFL, TESOL prepares educators to teach English to non-English speakers. The significant difference between these two certifications is the intended teaching location. TESOL courses are geared toward teachers planning to teach English to speakers of foreign language living in a native speaking country. In TEFL, the courses are taught and the teachers are trained for teaching English in non-native English speaking community, and in TESOL the teachers are trained for teaching English for the native English speaking countries. And next, TESOL. TESOL means teaching English to speakers of other languages. TESOL courses have been designed more recently than both TEFL and TESOL. A TESOL course draws on broader elements of each of latter teaching certification to provide the base for teachers to teach in both non-native English countries and within English speaking countries. So TEFL in non-native, the TEFL teachers are trained to teach English in non-native English speaking countries. TESOL teachers are trained in for teaching English in the native English speaking countries, and TESOL is the course that is provided to the teachers for teaching English in native as well as non-native speaking English speaking countries. So a TESOL qualification is an advantage for teachers looking for work in English speaking countries such as the United Kingdom, Canada, United States and Australia, whereas TEFL is more geared toward teachers planning to relocate temporarily or permanently abroad, like in Middle East, Pakistan and India, Africa, where their English is not their native language. TESOL is a suitable course choice for those looking to expand their careers within their current home country. And if we talk about TESOL, acquiring a TESOL qualification may be the best option for anyone unsure about future career plans, for those open to teaching abroad as well as teaching English at home. TESOL could be a good start. Some job searchers may encounter barriers when equipped with a TESOL certificate. However, since TESOL is a newer certification, it can be less highly regarded than as TEFL, as overseas curricula tend to favor TEFL qualified candidates. Some schools and organizations may also not recognize a TESOL certification, but they recognize TEFL as a valid certification. So if a person is equipped with the degree of TEFL, he will be highly rewarded as compared to the person who has a TESOL or TESOL degree. So let us conclude our discussion. What is TEFL? TEFL is for teaching English in non-native English speaking countries to speakers of foreign languages, and TESOL is for teaching English in native English speaking countries to speakers of foreign languages, and TESOL is for teaching English in both non-native and native English speaking countries to speakers of foreign language. So in the end, thank you so much and stay always blessed, and Allah Hafiz.